Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Alia. I'm 41 years old. My status divorced. I have two children, is 5 and 1 years old. I have two sisters, three brothers. I come from Brebes, Central Java of Indonesia. My last education is elementary high school. My religion is Muslim. I can't eat pork, but I can cook pork. I also can cook Chinese food like fried rice, steamed eggs, steamed fish, chapchae, and soup. I have experience before in Dubai 7 years and Singapore 2 years. My job is take care of children and do housekeeping like washing, cleaning, cooking, ironing, and marketing. I'm offered with job. I want to go Hong Kong because I want to work to get more money for my family and my future. I promise to be a good housemate in Hong Kong. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.